The objective of this video is to list the similarities and differences between Agile and DevOps practices. Now let's try to compare DevOps and Agile. We need to understand that DevOps is the concept to manage end-to-end engineering processes, whereas Agile is the process used to manage complex projects. Agile, in fact, is one of the most essential part of successful DevOps. So we can say Agile is subset of DevOps. Now let's try to compare DevOps and Agile. DevOps is a technical practice for end-to-end solution. It combines operations, configuration, management apart from development. It also aligns operations with stability in a way where you can go ahead and you can script deployment and also apply standard application builds. Finally, DevOps helps to bridge the line between several cross-functional teams, which includes development, QA, monitoring, deployment, and infrastructure, and it is done by simplifying the processes. Apart from bridging the gap between cross-functional teams, DevOps also takes care of enabling quick and fast delivery by adopting principles of automation. But when it comes to Agile, it is more about processes, applying Scrum methodology, and using sprints. It can also be treated as a link between design thinking and DevOps. Agile helps in aligning the development with business priorities, and it ensures that focus is on speeding up the development processes. Agile also eliminates the gap between the teams, and it does it by bridging cross-functional teams with daily Scrum calls. And finally, Agile aims at streamlining the delivery by using certain tools like Kanban or Scrum Board. Now let's try to understand how to apply DevOps and Agile to operations. DevOps is more about culture. In order to understand DevOps, we need to also understand scope of DevOps. Critical scope of DevOps is in deriving the right approach of managing continuous improvement. And it is done by handling the issues when the software development team and operations team are in isolation. Development takes responsibility of building the collaboration, improving the efficiency, and also helping to boost productivity to deliver applications faster. Now let's try to understand from the exhibit. We have multiple different processes. It always starts with development. Your development starts and development ends. We can adopt Agile principle between development start and development end. When it comes to testing, which need to be done prior to releasing the application, it is all about adopting DevOps principle. Your release is ready and you have deployed. Post-deployment, you have to provide production support, and that falls under operations category. In short, Agile takes care of development start to development end, whereas DevOps is responsible for development start, development end, release, as well as support. Now we need to focus on understanding the iterations in Agile, which is powered by DevOps. For that, we have classified it into three important categories. First category is to take care of main stakeholders, where we are using traditional methodology. We have business and we have code. Code need to be tested, quality need to be assessed, and development practices need to be adopted. And finally, we have operations in order to ensure that we are able to provision right environment for the code. Now comes iteration that we can adopt in Agile development. We always start with inception. Inception gives us understanding about what we are going to do. Then comes elaboration, where we apply more systemic approach in order to derive artifacts which can be used in construction phase. Construction phase will produce deployable artifact which can be deployed by adopting the right transition from current system to future system. Now let's talk about DevOps. DevOps is all about handling the requirements by using elaboration, construction, transition, adding one extra step of operations which will ensure that operations are being monitored, continuous feedback is being gathered, and product is being improved in every delivery cycle. Finally, let's try to compare various different methodology. We'll start with elements of comparison, and we are going to compare waterfall, Agile powered by DevOps. When we compare from perspective of focus and delivery, Waterfall typically manages monolithic projects, whereas Agile and DevOps will focus on use cases and they will be more service oriented. When it comes to teams, your team in Waterfall is organized in form of a single functional groups, whereas Agile and DevOps is all about aligning multidisciplinary teams. Now let's try to compare from time scale perspective. Waterfall takes years, whereas Agile and DevOps will provide you deployable artifact in weeks or months. From perspective of scheduling, Waterfall is straight and it is sequential. This is the reason why scheduling is upfront, but Agile is more about incremental and iterative. This is the reason why scheduling need to be iterative and continuous. Now let's try to understand from perspective of documentation and tracking. Waterfall model follows gate work, whereas in Agile and DevOps, it evolves along with the work. Finally, from perspective of external relationships, Waterfall is more about supplier and buyer relation, whereas Agile and DevOps treats relationship as partners.